Build a better mousetrap and the world will beat a path to your door. That's the biggest bunch of BS there's ever existed in the product design world. No one cares about your better solution. The only way a better solution is ever implemented is if somebody has the fortitude and business acumen to present it to enough people to where they're like, oh yeah, that is a better mousetrap, and I don't currently have a mousetrap. Most people who have a mousetrap are fine with it. It catches the mice. They don't need to do any more than that. And most people really mistake what a better mousetrap is. It's not more features. It's not a mousetrap that sends a text to your phone saying you've got a dead rat in your house. That is not something anybody wants. They want to solve the problem of eliminating mice. If you can dramatically solve that problem, then you at least have a decent product. But that's 5% of the creation of a product. It's so important to make sure that once you have an idea, once you have a concept, once you've solved a problem, that you have a means to get to the client or get to the customer who's going to give you money for that product. And this is the problem that so many inventors and so many designers have. They create all of these amazing things and no one will ever know about them because they have no ability to sell them, they have no ability to manufacture them, they have no ability to do all the fundamental things that make a business where a transaction can happen and somebody can give you money for your better idea or even be aware of your better idea. So few creative people have the ability to implement all of those steps of creating a business, which is why so many businesses fail. Everybody can file the paperwork to say, I'm in business now, we're going to start New Mousetrap LLC. That's not hard to do. That's a checklist on a website that you can fill out. But all of the steps of, okay, where is everybody who's going to buy my mousetrap? Where is everybody going to be who's going to continue to buy my mousetrap? And why does anybody even care that I have this new mousetrap? That's why today you might notice everybody still uses a wooden board with a spring on it. You know why? Because all we want to do is kill a mouse. We don't need much more than that, unless somebody really, really sells us on it.